Hi friends, this is my new Nord CE. So as you can see, it's a Oneplus Nord CE which was recently launched. So I saw one issue which is pertaining to this phone. I just want to understand whether you people are also facing the same issue. So this is the new Nord CE. So I'll just show you what is the issue. So whenever you lock your phone, you see that there's a light which is blinking. Whenever I unlock it, it's not blinking. See, blinking, unlock, not blinking, blinking, until you unlock it is not blinking. So post it in comment if you people are also facing the same issue. Thank you.